I'm Jenn de la Vega, and this is your inaugural Culinary Word of the Day. Today's word is agronomy. It is spelled A-G-R-O-N-O-M-Y. According to the American Society of Agronomy, agronomy looks at agriculture from an integrated, holistic perspective. Agronomists are specialists in crop and soil science, as well as ecology. They examine the properties of soil, how soil interacts with growing crops, what nutrients the crops need, the ways that crops grow and develop, how climate and other environmental factors affect the crop at all stages, how best to control weeds, insects, fungi, and other crop pests, and how to grow crops effectively and profitably while conserving and protecting the environment. As opposed to the study of horticulture, agronomic crops are those that occupy large acreage and are the basis of the world's food and fiber production systems, often mechanized. Many agronomists specialize in one or more types of crops. Based on USDA statistics, the major crops grown in the U.S. are soybeans, corn, wheat, hay, cotton, grain sorghum, rice, oats, and barley. Agronomy originates from Greek agros, meaning field, and nomos, meaning arranging. It later evolved to the French agronome and later agronomy. You can find this word in Agronomy Journal, whose articles collect original research in agriculture, natural resources, soil science, crop science, agroclimatology, agronomic modeling, production agriculture, and instrumentation. Here are 3 academic papers you may find there. Trade-offs in cereal rye management strategies prior to organically managed soybean. Warm season forage options in northern dryland regions. Soil and crop management systems that ameliorate damage caused by decades of dryland agroecosystem mismanagement. Follow Culinary Word of the Day on Twitter at CulinaryWOTD. If you'd like to support Culinary Word of the Day, visit patreon.com/randwiches. That's patreon.com/RANDWICHES. I'm Jenn de la Vega, and this has been your Culinary Word of the Day. Next time on Culinary Word of the Day, a technique where opposites attract.